In this video we are going to install the Mojo compiler and see if it works. So far we have talked about why Mojo might be the best choice that you can make right now, because as they say on the website, it combines the usability of Python with the performance of C. That would be a great thing. So let's get started and go to the website modular.com/mojo. Here we have a download button, and when I click it, create a new account and accept the cookies, of course. I use my Google account, and here we have several options. We can install it on Linux. That would be my preferred choice, but I guess most people are using Windows, so I thought we would do that in this video. But if you see this text here, you will see that Mojo is not available for Windows yet. And we could use a Linux container or remote system. So I guess I will do the rest of this video on my Linux system and do the installation for Debian Linux.